Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to upload an Etsy template to Acuity scheduling. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you've not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is the home page from where we can get started. In the upper right corner, we can get started creating an account if you do not already have one. If you already have one, just log in normally. So after logging in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the main page. In the main page, we can get started browsing all the products we can buy. We can get started managing our store with the shop manager option right here at the top upper corner. And now let's go and take a look at how we can get started uploading Etsy templates into our Acuity scheduling. Basically guys, what you want to do first is find the template you want to use. You can use the search bar right here to search for templates for Acuity scheduling. You can find the products you already know. Doesn't matter. Once you open them up, it's going to look like this. This is how it's going to look, and now we can get started with buying it. So first you have to buy it if you want to use it. So what you want to do is click the buy now option. By clicking buy it now or adding it to your cart and then buying it, however you prefer, you can get started with getting the template for yourself. Once you buy it, you'll be able to download it for yourself to your PC, and once you have downloaded it, now we can get started with using it. After that, you can just normally open up Acuity scheduling, and get started with uploading the template you have just gotten. By uploading it to the Acuity scheduling website, you can get started with using it, but first you have to buy. That is the main step. Go to your cart and get started proceeding with the payment option, because there is not a free trial. You'll have to pay for it. So after you have gotten your template, just go to Acuity scheduling normally and start using the template, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.